Hey people, it's Thursday, July the 14th, 12:18 p.m. I was just walking through Nathan Phillips Square here on my way home after recording a video, and there's an art exhibit set up here in the reflecting pool of these brains in display cases, and I noticed that all of these display cases have been knocked over, and there's a guy sitting in the middle of Nathan Phillips Square here with his bike, and there are a bunch of cops all standing around the edges of the pool, I guess waiting for him to come out of the reflecting pool. And I'm not sure if he's the one who did this, but it certainly gives that impression. And wow, that is really a shame. All of these things are wrecked up pretty good. Well, most of them aren't really damaged by the looks of it, just tipped over. A couple of them have fared a bit worse here. And at least some of the art pieces have also found themselves submerged in the water. Looks like some of them have been rescued here and put on dry land. And I guess they're just waiting out this guy here.
He is equipped. He has that.
And you can see how the art exhibit was originally intended to look here. The Brain Project. No blank brains. Oh, it's to defeat dementia. So it's a fundraiser. And all these brains are decorated in various ways. It's pretty cool. Well, who knows how long it'll be before this guy comes out of the pool. Well, hopefully this will all get repaired and set back up with a few casualties, but probably nothing beyond repair here. Anyway, I just was happening across this unusual scene. Thought I would take it all in. I can see one of the display cases is floating out into the middle of the pool there. And another one is too. And he's surrounded on all sides. There's police or security on all four sides of the reflecting pool. Well, just another day in downtown Toronto, I guess. Not much more to see here. So until next time, I will continue. I guess I'll check the news later to see if there's any report of this incident. Okay, time to come out there, buddy. And don't forget your bike.